Today I'm going to show you how to make mixed berry flapjacks. You will need 300 grams of porridge oats, 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, and 150 grams of frozen berries. I used 35 grams of redcurrants, 45 grams of blueberries and 70 grams of strawberries, but you can use whatever combination and weights that you like. Firstly, to a bowl and to your oats add your berries and just give it a mix until well combined. Then to a saucepan add your butter, your sugar and your golden syrup. And heat over a low heat until your butter has melted and everything is well combined. Then add your wet ingredients into your oats and just give it a really good mix until well combined and the oats are completely covered in your butter mixture. Then to a pre-greased and pre-lined baking tin. Mine was 18 centimeters squared. You want to add your flapjack mixture, just pressing down on top to try and flatten out and to try and compress your flapjack as much as possible. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 30 to 35 minutes until the top has set and it is starting to go golden. And then just cut into the size pieces you want. And there you have it. That's how you make a mixed berry flapjack.